Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? In this video, what we're gonna talk about is how we smacked QQQ for almost 200% today, all right, overnight. Now, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to go talk to a licensed financial advisor. Now, I talked about QQQ and the market going up today, right? On live last night. Last night on live, I told you guys the market was about to blast off. What did the market do today, y'all? We blasted off, right? Pretty much my whole watch list is green for the most part. Most of the watch list is green. So what does that mean? That means that my analysis from last night was on point, okay? Because I don't miss. Now, I entered into some swings yesterday before the market closed. And I told everybody in the Discord what I was about to do. And today, it all paid off. So I'm going to break this down for you guys so that you guys could learn and understand how to do this and what the thought process is. All right? So, and I'm going to break down the whole trade, right? So yesterday, okay, this is my call outs tab right here. All right, I told everybody I was entering in on QQQ, size for zero, right? That's an amount that you're okay with losing, okay? Depending on your account size, right? It may be 1,000 that you're okay with losing. It may be 500, whatever it is, right? Now, told them about what the setup was, right? I told them we could be coming up to 722, right? So on QQQ, we had a gap to fill up to 722. I've been talking about this gap all week, right? We was down here. Y'all see what I'm saying? We was down here. So I said, all right, cool. So we ended up gapping up. Now let me break this down for you guys, right? Today, we absolutely went insane, y'all. Okay, today is July 9th, right? We went absolutely insane today, y'all, right? We got QQQ. Michelle, she got 178%, right? Zoe swung IWM 135%, right? We got Michelle 29%. We got 100% on QQQ calls. Jeremy, he got he made $1,000 on QQQ. My guy Ant, 95% on Oracle, 200% on QQQ. We got Tish, murdering the market, QQQ. Right, look at all these 100%, y'all. 100% on CoreWeave, 141 on QQQ, 15, 32, 159%. Kelton, 41% on SoFi. Right, Fidro, he got what, 216%. 102%, right? 121%. We got Best Beezy, 573%, 190%, right? What else we got? We got Kobe, right? 39%, 27%. He took those QQQ calls, 186%, 139%, right? 196% on QQQ. I mean, look, 92% on QQQ calls, 55% on Robinhood. We just went absolutely insane, y'all, right? QQQ, 48% on Hood. We just went bonkers, 109% on those QQQ calls, right? We just went insane. Grew his account by 85% today, right? 191% on QQQ calls, right? Jeremy going crazy, man. What, 250, 134, right? Scalp IWM got account is up 108%, right? 213% on those QQQ calls, right? Shout out to Toya, 722 calls. Glow Love be doing her thing as she always does. Blessed One said, I'm new here, but I'm applying what I learned. 83% on IWM calls, right? 110% on IWM calls. We just absolutely killed the market, right? My guy Nard B, 229% on QQQ calls, 100% on QQQ calls, right? We got Ash. She 137% on QQQ calls, right? Then she hit Google, 41%, 31%. So we could keep going, right? But I want you guys to see that we go crazy in the market, right? I called these QQQ calls to the T, and I'm breaking it down right now what the mindset was and the thought process was, right? So like I said yesterday, so first off, we had this bullish one bar a couple days ago, right? So we had a bullish one bar this day. This was on Monday. So this was a 2-1. So we were I don't want to say supposed to go up, but it was looking like we was going to go up this day. But then what happened? We gapped down, and this gap down created this gap right here that I was talking about up to 722, right? So we gapped down, and then what happened? Right here, we came down. And then we gapped up a little bit. I mean, we gapped down and then we came up. We came down some more right here, right? Now, what is this, y'all? This is a liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. So I said, okay, we have this liquidity grab right here, and we on a failed 2 down, and the whole market was showing failed 2 downs as well, right? When we went over live last night, we had a ton of failed 2 downs, right? If you see right here, this is from last night. Look at all these failed 2 downs. These are all failed 2 down setups, right? So I saw that in the market, and this is an index. So I said, let me take entry. Let me take entry on these right here. I'm not going to go like heavy, but I'm going to make a nice little penny because we had a gap to fill up here. So QQQ has been gapping down. They gapped down twice, right? They gapped down one day and then they gapped down 2 days. So when I saw this liquidity grab plus a failed 2 down, and we had already came down 2 days in a row, and we had a 1 bar up here, this 1 bar was something that I was still paying attention to. I said, oh yeah, we definitely are going to be going up, right? We're going to gap up and we're going to go crazy, okay? So we closed at 711, right? So I entered in this trade yesterday, right? I entered in this trade yesterday at 709 about 55, right? 709.55 is where I had entered in the trade at, okay? So I took my entry right here. Now, as you guys can see, we gapped up, boom, and we gapped up right here. Now, obviously, look, what happened? We had this gap right here to 722. So that was the initial price target, right? That was the initial price target. So when the market opened up, we dropped down here. So it was looking like we were selling off. What I did was I set my trailing stop loss, right? Just in case we did sell off and it was a big red candle, I wanted to protect my profits, right? So I had set my trailing stop loss and I was dragging it, and then I exited out down here, right? Exited out down here, and I got 165%. Okay, boom. So now I got 165%. Then I was like, okay, let me see, because I'm still looking at this 722 level right here. So what did I do? I secured profits there, and then I was like, oh, beautiful. We broke above this one candle and then the pre-market highs. So what did I do? I entered in right here, right? So I took entry on a scalp right here, right? Boom. And then I just wrote it up, and I had my trailing stop on here. So we were just riding it up. My trailing stop got hit, and I took an exit about right here, maybe a little lower. But I took my exit right here, and we got 32% profit, right? Boom. Okay, 32% profit. Now, what does that do? That is almost 200% And this all happened in the first 5 minutes of the market, right? So I got stopped at 165% profit in the first couple minutes of the market, right? And then after that, what happened? This happens, caught that right there, got stopped out 32%, and I was good. And I was done. Now, as we can see, we dropped right here. If you look on the 30-minute or the hourly, well, let's look at the 30-minute time frame. We had a 2-1-2. So if you were still paying attention to the market, 2-1 setup, and then it went higher, then it started to really go crazy, right? The rest of the day, now we're sitting at 724, right? But the thing is, I knew the market was coming up today, period. I knew the market was coming up today because the whole market was showing failed two downs. So when I saw that, I said, hey, let's really go. And then when QQQ had gapped up, they were only up by like 0.9%. So I knew they potentially had more room to go. And that's why when I swing and I'm in profit, I don't secure profit. I turn on my trailing stop loss and I say, hey, if we have more room to run, let me just trail my stop loss up and then get stopped out in a higher profit than what I would have taken profit at. And that's it. Right? That's how we got down. And then as you can see, that's when everybody was, smacking the market. Look at Christiana, right? She smacked IWM today. And then she also smacked QQQ as well. She got the 722 calls. I got the 715s, right? But listen, we ate crazy today in the market, and we do this every single day, y'all, right? We do this every single day. There's not a shortage of plays, setups, anything like that. We do this on a daily basis, right? 118% right there, 17% on IWM and QQQ, right? We do this every single day, y'all. So listen, if you guys want to catch some absolute bangers with us and you guys want to trade with us, Prosperity Collective, be sure to come join the Discord, right? Be sure to come trade with us. Come learn how to trade. Come trade the strat method. Come learn how to trade the strat method so you can wake up to 100%, 200%, 300% trades on a consistent basis. We're doing this every single day. I know sometimes it may seem a little bit like a lie, but I promise you these are real people. I can't fabricate any of this stuff. This is what's really going on in the stock market right here, right now, on an everyday basis over here at the Prosperity Collective. All right, y'all. So I appreciate all of y'all tapping in. Like I always say, man, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. And I'm going to holler at you guys on tomorrow's video. All y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.